Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6. It's English class and we are going to start our second unit. So open your books, page number 22. Okay, here you can see the picture of morning dews on plant, and the name of our poem is also in morning dew. And the poem the poet describes about the scarecrow, and you can also see the picture of scarecrow, as well as the first difficult word is dew. It means droplets.
Then second word is scarecrow. It is very important to know what is a scarecrow. So children, here is a picture of a scarecrow. You can see a simple model of a person that is put in field to frighten away the birds. So scarecrow is a model of a person which is put in a field so that birds can't come closer to him. मोस्टली ये खेतों में रखा जाता है ताकि जो खेत की फसलें होते हैं उन्हें बर्ड्स या वहाँ के एनिमल्स ख़राब ना कर सकें और इनसे डर के भाग जाएं. Here is the description shows the world through the eyes of a scarecrow. The poet himself spent a lot of time in villages while working as an IPS officer, and that can be seen in his poetry. So this is the poem which is set in the world of nature, and in this poem the poet describes the world seen by the eyes of a scarecrow. The poet himself has spent a lot of time in villages during his duty, so this can be seen in his poem. So let's start. Firstly, I will read the first paragraph and then I will explain it line by line. In morning dew, the scarecrow combs his hair. In morning light, the scarecrow looks so spry. You know he's had a good night's sleep. He's now in a fitter state to spy on shouting monkeys and the porcupine. He gets to see everything all the time, except his shadow which lazes about, till the evening snuffs the fellow out. So here are some of the tough words which I have written. So start. In morning dew, it's the morning time and there is dew, droplets of water on the plants, and the scarecrow is very fresh and looks like he has combed his hair. In morning light, the scarecrow looks so spry. Spry means alert. And in the morning, the scarecrow is looking very alert. You know he's had a good night's sleep. And why the scarecrow is looking so alert? Because he had a good sleep and he is very energetic now. He is now in a fitter state to spy. Here fitter means suitable or fit, and jasusi karna. So the scarecrow is very alert and he is very fit to spy on shouting monkeys and the porcupine. Porcupine means an animal which has spikes on all over his body. So the scarecrow is very fit to start spying the birds, the shouting monkeys and the porcupine which are around the field. He gets to see everything all the time, except his shadow which lazes about. Lazes means relax. Till the evening snuffs the fellow out. Snuffs means puts out. So he is spying upon the monkeys and the porcupine, and he can't see his shadow because he can't bend. He is out of his sleep. Whether he sees the seasons come and go is a thing you and I may never know. But busy as he is, he keeps an eye on all the bird traffic passing by. Some questions always bother him. How seasons come and go, the way the seasons to and fro. He doesn't know who's getting in, summer, autumn or the snow. Something he should surely know. So the scarecrow is saying that he will never be able to know whether he can calculate how the seasons come and go, but he is very busy with his work. And what is his work? His work is to spy upon the birds and animals who are passing by, and he is doing his work very efficiently. वो अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से कर रहा है. उसका काम क्या है कि वो स्केयरक्रो फील्ड में खड़े होकर वहाँ पे जो भी बर्ड्स या एनिमल्स पास कर रहे हैं उनके ऊपर नज़र रख रहा है. वो सम क्वेश्चंस ऑलवेज बॉदर हिम. बॉदर मीन्स टू वरी. लेकिन कुछ क्वेश्चंस उसे हमेशा परेशान करते हैं. हाउ सीजन्स कम एंड गो. So how the season come and go, how the season moves in such an order. He doesn't know who is controlling them. He doesn't know the order of the season, whether summer will come or monsoon will come, autumn will come or snow. So he is very confused about the order of the season. He is very eager to know in what order the seasons come and go.